So how was your bike ride, Emma? Did you have fun? You have fun? Where did we do? Go around the lake a little bit? What'd you do? Did you get in a crash? No. Did you have fun? Riding like a big girl. Let me see. Come here. Come to me. Come ride to me. I want to get a picture. Come on. Come right at me. Come on. Yeah, you're riding like a big girl. Alright, let's go get this bike put up so we can go eat and go swimming. Come on. Yeah, put yours on first. Come on, girlie. You take your helmet off and put it in the car. Don't hit her car. Alright. I'm glad you had fun, Emma.